Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will look about negative orders in a year. Okay. So here you can see this is our orders database, orders table. So there are some orders ID and some of the orders profit was in negative. Okay. Profit was in negative. So we want to count each and every year how many orders how many orders ID gone through as a gone became a negative profit. Okay, so um, here you can see I have the negative orders in a year. So I have created a DAX. Okay, here you can see I have taken a variable var selected year and then selected value. So selected value, which value will be selected? There is a ship date column in this orders table and it is taking year from it. Okay, so selected value is what selected value is doing. Selected value is selecting the a particular year from this ship date column. Okay, then it is returning, what is returning? Calculate count of rows of orders. So orders is the table, so it is counting the rows of the orders table. So why counting rows of the table? Because there are 50,000 of rows in this orders table and each rows contains a particular order ID. Okay, order ID is unique, it cannot be changed. So each rows is particular as an order ID. So it is calculating it is counting rows of order ID. Okay, actually then orders of ship year. So it is calculating, it is filtering out according to the selected year. According to the selected year, it is coming from here, from variable. So it is filtering out the count of rows according to the selected, whichever year we have selected. And orders of profit should be less than 0, where orders of profit should be less than 0. Less than 0 means it should be negative. And plus 0, what plus 0 means? Plus 0 means when we have not selected a particular year, then the default value will be 0. It should not show as blank. That's why we have created plus 0. Okay, so this is the DAX. So when I select a year, particular year, let's see 2012, here you can see 2689 rows of this 2012. That means 2689 particular order IDs which gone as a negative profit. Okay, so and total count of rows here you can see 12.5k. Total order IDs are 12.5k. Okay, and then I created another. Here you can see negative orders. So calculate count of orders ID. Okay, where orders of profit is less than 0. It is calculating order IDs. Okay, it is calculating order IDs where the profit is less than 0. You can create like this also. Okay, so both ways is possible. So if I select another time, if I select any particular year like this 2011, here you can see 2200 orders IDs are gone as a negative profit. So like this we can calculate. So This is all about for today. If you like my videos, please like it. If you subscribe to my channel, support to my channel, share my videos among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.